I need your help with refrigerator water valve troubleshooting.
I'm assuming this is related to the refrigerator not dispensing water or not making ice. And that you've paid your water bill.
Yes, I paid my water bill. And yes, the water has been connected to the refrigerator.
Before you assume it is broken, check the freezer where the water hose often passes to the ice maker. You may have the water hose frozen and blocking water from getting into the ice maker.
I already checked that, and the hose is clear. And yes, it is connected, not spewing water into the fridge and turning my freezer into a scene from the movie Frozen.
So pull the fridge back from the wall, turn off the water so you don't make a mess, open up the access panel after putting towels on the floor.
You already said to turn off the water.
It is like the water left over in a hose that spills out as you carry it. Remove the water valve fill tubing and loosen the brass fitting inside the inlet of the valve.
So far, we'd be in the process of taking it apart.
Use a wrench to loosen the nuts and remove the bracket that holds the water inlet valve in the fridge. Then take it out.
Except it is still held in place by the wires.
It usually has 2 wires connecting it to the terminals. A double solenoid valve has 4 wires.
This is what you want me to test.
Get an ohm meter or multimeter set to RX1 ohms. Test the resistance on each terminal lead.
Am I looking for something other than 0 and infinity, which means something is shorted out?
You should get a reading of 200 to 500 ohms. The water inlet valve for the fridge usually has the ideal ohm rating marked on the valve.
What if I do not get those readings?
Then you need to replace the water inlet valve.
What if I just get cubes that are too small or large chunks of ice?
The water inlet valve might be malfunctioning. However, getting one big glob of ice could also mean the freezer compressor failed before restarting, so it melted the ice before it refroze in an iceberg.
That's way more expensive to replace than a refrigerator water valve or ice maker water valve.
If you're lucky, it is just a buildup of minerals and sediment from hard water on the screen in front of the inlet, so replacing that screen solves the water inflow problem.
I supposed I'd see that while taking apart the water inlet thing.
Minerals making it through the screen could leave it stuck in an open position too, causing that big iceberg.
If only the ice maker failure could be an excuse to get a water softener.